If you're trying to secure a building, whether for business or personal use, you need to invest in the best access control security systems. Access control refers to security systems that monitor doorways, turnstile entrances at events, scanners for car entrances, and keyless entry to rooms, etc. Chances are, if you've been inside an office building or mid-sized business today, you've had to pass through an access control security system. Access control systems can be intimidating to set up and monitor, mostly due to their high level of technology and intricacies. Thankfully, we provide a highly skilled service model that will give you the best access control security systems and monitoring available in the United States today. Installation and in-depth knowledge of the structural electronic and digital components that make up the access control units. Being able to grant or remove access for individuals based on the client's needs, and the ability to add or remove individuals quickly when needed. Delivering systems that match the budget and cost expectations of the client, and finding the best technological solutions to fit each one. Ensuring that all of the access control systems are in top working condition for the duration of the security services provided. Making sure updates are installed when needed. The constant flow of people in and out of buildings is part of our day-to-day reality, regardless of where we live or what we do. Places like courthouses, office parks or centers, malls, dorms, and event facilities all utilize access control systems daily. Did you know, however, that these access control systems are also frequently used in small retail businesses and personal offices? Access control means what it says: being able to control who has physical access to your premises via state-of-the-art technology that either allows or disallows entrance based on specified variables. For example, if you run a business within a larger office building, you can set up key cards or badges that can be self-scanned for entry into your specific part of the property. You can also have monitored entrances where these key card entries have security personnel there to oversee the process. These key cards act as digital credentials and can be used for a variety of structures, regardless of size. You can also install access control systems for vehicle entry, both monitored or unmonitored by a security guard on staff. Most of the best access control security systems are run through a cloud server that is set up by the security company providing the service. Our company will work with you to find the best systems for your budget and make sure that our personnel is fully trained in handling that specific system for you. Installing these systems will keep unwanted intruders from entering your space, as well as track approved entrance so you know who is coming in and out, when, and why. After you've had a consultation with one of our top security services experts, we will find an access control system that best suits your needs. Once this system has been identified and ordered, we will send a team to install it for you. Here's how that installation process will work. We start with running the cables and wiring the system to go online at your premises and ensure clean connectivity. Then we install the locking and physical control mechanisms involved in what the access control systems will allow or disallow. Next, we install a control panel that our personnel or your staff can monitor to gauge how the system is working or make any changes when needed. After that, we will set up the card readers that trigger the access control systems to open the doors or gates that are being controlled for entry. Lastly, we will upload any relevant data into the cloud that will specify who has access to your premises, where they have access to, and what time these access permissions are available. If you are looking for the best of the best access control security systems available in the United States, then look no further. Call us today at 888-444-9628